Hello friends, this is class number 61. Yesterday I told you about all these things. That is I first person singular, you second person singular, he, she, it, or names like a boy, nouns like boy, girl, man, dog, etc. Then you have a plural we, first person plural, you and they. Remember I again told you that there are only 6 starting points for English sentences, and that these are first person singular, second person singular, third person singular. It can be just got 3 genders, masculine, feminine, neutral, first person plural, second person plural, third person plural. And then yesterday we saw that to be. The verb to be has 3 forms: is, are. And we saw how to distribute. We say I am, you are, it is, boy is, etc. Boy is, girl is, man is, dog is. And we are, you are, we are. So this much we saw. Now just one more point, and then we will see that is, you know a verb. What is a verb? Verb is an action word, isn't it? Jump, run, is that? Laugh, smile, right, then throw, action words. Now, at the end of the verb, say, you have got eat. You add ing. Then you will get the eating. Now this is not a verb. It has a name. Present participle. Present participle. Understand? Present participle. So if you are given a verb, you can make a present participle without any difficulty. How? What will you do? Just add ing. Come, coming, go, going, jump, jumping, throw, throwing, eat, eating, dance, dancing, run, running, sleep, sleeping. Are you sleeping? Sleep, sleeping. Then work, working, walk, walking, talk, talking, sing, singing, fight, fighting, listen, study, studying, weep, weeping, cry, crying, smile, smiling, laugh, laughing. So you add ing to your verb, then you will get the form called the present participle. Now you remember, I am etc. So what you have to do is, now you know to explain this, isn't it? What is the explanation? Explanation is, are, is, what are they? Forms of to be. So forms of to be, forms means present forms. They have got other forms also, present forms, to be, plus ing form of the verb. Ing form of the verb is equal to what? A tense. You make a tense in English. Then it will look like this. As a formula you can say to be plus present participle. This will be the formula. I will write it here if it is not clear to you. To be plus present participle. If you expand this, you will get like this: is, are plus ing. That means, example if we take, is eating, am eating, are eating. You know what we call this tense? This is called the present continuous tense or the present progressive tense. So you call it the present continuous or progressive tense. And I am eating. See this? You are eating. He, she is eating. We are. Is that clear? Do you know how we have generated a tense in English? The first tense we generate means made generated. You are eating. You are eating. They are eating. Boys are eating. Girls are eating. This is the present continuous or progressive tense. So that is the first thing to do is, when we are learning tenses in English, first thing is how to generate a tense or how to form a tense, how to make a tense. Now we know this tense can be made, there is a formula, to be plus present participle. That's it. So we have generated it like that, and so we will reduce this to a formula. The present continuous tense, we can reduce this into a formula. Like you have got mathematics formula now. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Like that you have a formula, that is to be plus present participle. This is the formula, participle. Now the expansion will be, how will you expand this? Is, are, plus to give a noun, eating. And then what will you do? You have is eating, am eating, are eating. Now you know where to use is, am, are. I, you, he, she, it, or any word like table or boy, etc. Here we have we, you, and they, or boys, like that. So what do you do? There are three forms, you know, am, are, is, plus. We are, plus. What is the plus? ing form. And what do you call ing form? Present participle. Okay. So we will see again tomorrow further explanation. Till then, bye.